Up YouTube? It's Adams812 with another video here. Today we're gonna be making something a little bit different. It's not a gaming video, it's not about Call of Duty Mobile. Today we're gonna be making an unboxing video. Now this is my first unboxing video I've made, so but I've seen people make it on here, so that's how we're gonna do it. And the reason why I can't show my face, cause my kind of camera on here is it won't be able to do it. But the unboxing video is going to be about, this is what it's going to be about. And when I snap, it's going to appear in 3, 2, 1. Down. Okay, that wasn't as planned, but boom, this is what it is. I was going to get it when I was during Christmas, but my parents decided to give it to me today. So it's a AT&T Raider Core. Yeah, it's unlimited data. This is what the phone looks like on there. This is what the side. Okay, the back. The bottom, top, the side. Okay, just pause this real quick. Okay, I'm back. So, this is what the unboxing video is going to be about. I got a brand new phone. So, and from now on, I'm going to be making my gaming videos on this phone right here. So, let's first see the real thing right here. This is what it looks like. It just has a plastic tape on here. So, let's close this now. On here it's just pull to open. I'm gonna just put this right here. Yeah, I'm put it right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna open it. There we go. Boom. Got it like that. Just put this right here. Now we can pull it out. Just have to just shake it out. And boom, right here. It's the box. Usually says something. It has something. Oh, yep, it does. Just pause this real quick. Okay, I found out that's not it's just part of the box. So let's get ready to open it. Okay. See if there's anything else. Now it's time for the ripping part. Oh, that was actually easy. Just came off like that. Okay, smooth. And yeah, this phone, it's so much bigger than the other one. So got this starter thing, don't need that. Battery pack, yes, we need that. This probably, yeah, we're probably also gonna need this to start here. Got the look closely here. Yeah, the USB cord, USB brick, and security information. Okay, don't need you. Okay, now to take it out the box. Just, oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna pause this real quick so I can take it out. Okay, got it out of the casing, and right here says, I don't know if you can read that. No, I'm gonna just read it. It says large 5.5 display with Dragon Trail glass added protection. Okay, 5 mega, I don't know, rear facing with flash, 2 mega, I don't know, front facing, 16 gigabytes of internal memory, expanded to 64. That's pretty good. Okay, long-lasting 250 removable battery, Android Pie Go edition. Okay then. And when I compared it to my phone, it's really not that much difference. And it looks pretty cool right here. Back clean right there. Okay, now the most satisfying part here. Did y'all hear that? That's so satisfying. Okay, put that up. Now the phone itself. It is clean right there though. Dang. Okay then, we got everything. Now time to see the boot up screen. 3, 2, 1. Let's just wait until it powers on. Okay, it should have. It's probably dead. That's probably why I think I need to charge it. Oh, I just remembered. Where is it at? Where is that part at? The battery. I should have put that in there first. So let's get that in there. I'm gonna have to pause it so I can take the cover off. Okay, this is what the battery pack looks like. Smooth right there. Now let's put it in. Okay, boom, it's on there. Now put the cover back on. Make sure it's on there. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause this so I can get the cover on it better. Two things realize, well, mostly just one. First thing is I had the battery part on there wrong, so that's why it didn't go on good. But now it's on there good. Now let's see the boot up screen in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's cool. Powered by Android Go edition. Okay then. My phone usually has 2 boot up screens, just like this one does. Okay then. Let's notice that mine has a blue indicator on there. This one has a red one. Okay. Okay. Boom. Here it is. Hi there. Okay then. As you can see, the phone is at 13%. That's probably why the indicator is red. So, yeah. So, there you have it. This is the phone here. My phone. Okay. Just pause this real quick. Okay, this is what the brick looks like in USB. They're both smooth. I've never seen it like this way, and I've never seen a brick like this one before. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. The phone, it changed. Okay, then it says, welcome to AT&T. Select your option. Activate later. Turn your on again when you're ready to activate. Okay. Okay, the reason why I said that is because I don't use mobile data. I just use Wi-Fi. That's what I just do. So I'm gonna pause this and I should get it ready to charge. Okay, my new phone is currently charging right now. So yeah, but since it's at 12%, I can get everything ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna make it go all the way to the boot screen in 3, 2, 1.